Yoga Anatomy Geek Quiz. In Warrior One pose, what anatomical position is the back leg's hip joint in rotation-wise? Is this back hip in hip internal rotation? Is it in hip external rotation? Or is it in no rotation? Is it neutral? So I find this to be a bit of a tricky question because it can be a little tough to see this clearly. In my experience, Warrior One is often believed to have the back hip in internal rotation. And that's not accurate, as we'll see in a moment, but that's what's commonly believed. And I think that this is because we often cue Warrior One by stepping one foot back and then turning those toes in, those back toes in. And I think it's in that turn in like language that sometimes leads us to believe that the back hip is therefore in internal rotation. But actually that back hip is in external rotation. It's in hip external rotation. And it may be a little clearer to see if we look at it from the front. So check out my back leg and my back foot. I'm going to hang on to this hip rotation as I step my foot forward. And hopefully now we can see that this back hip is actually in external rotation.